Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. And yeah, we could see that Bitcoin right now is actually at $44,000 since, well, 44,062 if you want to call it. And quite some big news today that I just read. I just retweeted it, and I actually see that the KPMG, a very big accounting firm in Canada, actually just added Bitcoin to their balance sheet. So quite bullish, some quite bullish news that I'm seeing right there. And yeah, right now we're actually getting over this resistance line on Bitcoin, 43,400 to 43,900. We actually blasted through it today. Then, you know, we're retesting it as support right now. It's possible that we might consolidate a little bit here before, you know, another move towards the upside. But, you know, a reversal down, you know, back to 41,000 or 42,000 is also very possible. I don't want to urge anyone to enter some longs here. Right, if we do come back down to this support level, entering some longs is a quite, you know, nice possibility, you know, and then we could have some nice run up towards the upside. Let's take a look at market cipher right now. I believe Bitcoin's looking pretty good after the run up we got today on the daily time frame. Yep, Bitcoin with a 10 and a -2, still bullish, a little bit less bullish than yesterday, but overall quite bullish with 10 and a -3. Right now we have -2 and a 10, so it's still the same number on the bottom, but on the upside, we can see that the bears are starting to gain a tiny bit of a little bit more strength, you know. And we can take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Maybe we're starting to curl up, maybe for a dip towards the downside before our next move towards the upside. Now, Bitcoin looking looks like Bitcoin could definitely maybe reach 48,000 to 47,500. But I also want to urge people to take a look at the traditional markets and what's going on over there. Currently, I'm in a short position on West Texas oil, actually in profit now, so looking quite good there. So hopefully it keeps going down. Fundamentally, oil looks like it's going to be going up in the long term, but we'll see what happens. And right now, let's take a look at the SPY and the Dow Jones, which is what I wanted to take a look at on the weekly time frame. Actually, as we can see, every correction that we've gone so far, the momentum has, you know, not gone down that much, but for the last correction that we've gotten the last few weeks has actually brought the momentum all the way down here to the 0 line on market cipher B. Now, if we do keep going, you know, with the same trend that we've been going through like the last couple of weeks, this could, you know, lead to a market correction. But, you know, I'm not saying this is exactly what's going to happen, but every time that's it's happened on the weekly time frame, we can see that the stock market has, you know, the momentum wave has dipped to the downside. We've gone a green dot and then a reversal back towards the upside. Right now you can see the 2020 crash during March. Momentum waves came all the way down and then we crawled all the way back up. Right, obviously we did come all the way down here, right, during these little blips and during 2019, but this doesn't mean, you know, and that it never led to a market correction. But right now we can see that the momentum waves are actually below the 0 line, right? They're starting on the weekly time frame, at least they're starting to inch towards the downside, right? But the VWAP is starting to come towards the upside, so we'll just keep a close eye on that. I'm not saying this is the end at all. I'm just some interesting facts that I found for you guys and wanted to share with you guys today. Anyways, moving on, we could take a look at Ethereum as well. Ethereum doing quite well, now getting some resistance at $31,056. So for all you guys that are on the premium Discord or gold members, at least, you guys can see that, you know, my resistance line of $31,056 is a good take profit area for if you guys are in some longs. You know, you guys entered in some longs at 24,000. You guys would have been in profit of over, let's take a look here, 30%. So with leverage, you guys would have done amazing there. And we can even see that the blue line that I've drawn here as a little bit of an ascending wedge we broke out, came back, retested as support, and then confirmed it, and then keep going towards the upside. So getting it in and along here would have been a great idea for you guys trading the markets every day. Hopefully I'll be able to go on full-time YouTube and be able to share my trades all the time with you guys, but for the time being, still working at the bank. And I had a very nice discussion with my manager at the end of the day. Basically, markets are fucked for the time being, and we're going to be going down. And, you know, get ready for a recession economy and start to transfer from growth and momentum stocks back into value and dividend paying stocks. And well, in my opinion, I'm looking for more scarce assets, as I believe inflation is going to be, is going to keep rising for the time being, and interest rates are probably not going to go up as much as, by any significant amount, which is going to lead to the dollar falling. And technically, when the DXY falls, the Bitcoin price skyrockets as well. So as we can see today, the DXY, where's the DXY? There's my DXY. DXY still underneath this major red trend line. If you guys haven't already, you guys can take a look at the Discord. I've drawn this major red trend line for the DXY, and it's been holding a support for quite a long time now. And now that we did have a dip below it, we came back up. But once we came back up, we had a bit of a bearish divergence right there, and now we're right underneath the red major trend line again. So if we do get it rejected, I'll be looking at support for 94.7, and if we don't hold that, then I'll be looking at 94.3, and if not there, then we'll be looking at this major purple support box right here from 92 ranging all the way to 93.4. Anyways, guys, hopefully this video helped you guys analyze the markets, or give you an idea what's going on right now. For the time being, I'm staying cautious, which is probably the smart thing to do, but leveraging up and having some fun with your trades is definitely a good idea as well. And if Ethereum keeps if Bitcoin keeps going towards the upside, we still have some major resistance coming at 48 to 49,000, and that's where our head and shoulders pattern broke down. We have our first shoulder, our head, and our tiny little right shoulder right here, and then we broke all the way down to 33,000. Anyways, guys, if you haven't already, definitely join the Discord. That's where I make all my trades. You guys can become premium members, and you can see my stock and crypto portfolio, which I'm going to be updating tonight, and you guys will be able to see all my holdings there. Also, I share my stock trades, my oil trades, commodity trades, index trades, and if you haven't already, definitely join BigGet.com. You get $158 in bonus plus a 10% deposit bonus. That's right. Love you guys. You guys have been awesome. And we're going to be having a live stream on tomorrow night, actually hosted on the trading battle. I'm going to be facing Cameron, and the winner gets $1,000 towards his charity. So if you guys want to support me, you guys can find me there. I'll be posting the link in the Discord and the server announcements. So it's going to be a good time. All right, guys. Peace out. Love you guys.